Hi everyone! Today I'll show you how to make roasted eggplant hummus, or also called baba ganoush. Baba ganoush is traditionally a Middle Eastern recipe and it's made with eggplant, garlic, lemon juice and tahini, and it's naturally vegan and gluten-free. And this is a wonderful combination that makes a great appetizer, so I'm looking forward to share this recipe with you. And as always, the exact measurements of the ingredients are listed in the description box below, so make sure to check it out and let's get started. So wash and dry the eggplant and pierce it with a knife several times. This will allow the eggplant to cook longer in the oven. And once you're done piercing the eggplants, add them to a baking tray and bake them in the oven at 400 Fahrenheit for about 50 minutes. Halfway through, check if the eggplants are getting softer and flip them over so they can bake evenly on both sides. This is a good time to add the garlic so it can roast for the remaining 20 minutes. Check if the eggplant is soft enough. Take it out of the oven and let it cool down for a few minutes. You know your eggplant is nicely roasted when you see how soft it is. It literally falls in the bowl. And this is the smoky consistency we're looking for. This will make the baba ganoush absolutely delicious. When you transfer it to the bowl, cover it with aluminum foil and let it rest for about 30 minutes so it can get nice and soft. This will make the process of removing the eggplant skin a lot easier. And once you remove the skin, cut the top part off and remove some of the seeds if you see that the eggplant has too many seeds. It's okay to have some seeds in the hummus later on because they will blend nicely in the blender. And now we have the eggplant ready to be added to the blender, followed by the roasted garlic, 1 tablespoon of sea salt, 1 tablespoon of ground cumin, and half a teaspoon of red chili pepper. Then add some freshly squeezed lemon juice and pulse a few times to mix everything in together. Now it's time to add the tahini, and you can make tahini at home by blending some sesame seeds with some olive oil, or you can use a store-bought. Add some generous amount of tahini. This recipe has 4 tablespoons, and then add 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Once you're done with this process, go ahead and blend everything for 2 to 3 minutes. And we have our baba ganoush ready. Serve it with your favorite gluten-free crackers or any fresh vegetables of your choice. Carrots, celery, and cucumber go really well with this recipe. You can also serve it on a pita bread, but it's almost impossible to find gluten-free pita bread unless you make it at home. Either way, enjoy this baba ganoush, a delicious Mediterranean appetizer. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And if you make this recipe, please leave a comment in the description box below or tag me on Instagram. It's so much fun to watch people making these delicious recipes I share with you. Also, check out my latest recipe and let me know how you like it, and I'll see you in the next video.